computer and human. A computer is a human-made machine. It helps us in many ways, but a computer cannot work on its own. Humans and computers are very different from each other. Let us learn the differences. Memory. A human may not remember many things stored in his brain. A computer can store a lot of information and it never forgets. Speed. A computer works very fast and can do many tasks at a time. A human works slowly and can do only one task at a time. Accuracy. A computer never makes mistake. A human can make mistakes. Tiredness. A computer never gets tired and can work for a long time. A human gets tired and needs rest after working for some time. Feelings. A human has feelings and emotions. He and she can feel happy and sad. A computer has no feelings or emotions. Take decisions. A human can take self-decisions and does not need any order to take decisions. A computer cannot take decisions on its own. It needs instructions from a human to work. You have seen how a computer is different from a human. A computer can do many things better than a human, but there are many important things that a computer cannot do. Hence, a computer is a useful machine, but it is not always better than a human.